for questions 7 and 8, they want us to add or subtract and then simplify, and then write our final answer in the standard form for complex numbers, which is the a plus bi form. Now, for these questions, I is basically being treated like any other variable. So I is kind of interesting because sometimes we treat it like square root of -1, and sometimes we just treat it like any other variable. So these are really just like a combining like terms question. So on number 7, I'm going to rewrite this without parentheses, and then I'm going to combine my like terms. So it'll be 11 plus 6i. So I'm basically just treating it like an x. Now it does need to be in that order, so they don't want you to put 6i plus 11, even though mathematically it means the same thing. For complex numbers, they specifically want it to be in that form. On number 8, if I rewrite it without parentheses, I need to distribute that -1. So that will be a -9 and a plus 11i. So then when you combine like terms, it's going to be -16 and then plus 16i.